Hello detectives, welcome back to the Data Detective. Today, we're going to talk about an exciting topic, data mining. This powerful tool helps us dig through data and uncover hidden patterns, like a detective digging through clues to solve a mystery. Are you ready to put on your detective hats and dive in? Data mining is a process of discovering hidden patterns and insights from large datasets. It's like mining for gold. You have to dig through a lot of dirt to find the valuable nuggets. With data mining, we can analyze large datasets to find valuable information that can help us make better decisions. Let's imagine you're a detective investigating a robbery. You have a list of suspects, witness statements, and security camera footage. But how do you make sense of all this information? Data mining can help. It's like sifting through all the data to find the important clues. For example, you can use data mining to analyze the security camera footage and look for patterns. Maybe you notice that the suspect always wears a certain type of hat, or always enters the store at a certain time of day. These patterns might not have been obvious at first, but with data mining, you can uncover them. But how does data mining actually work? Well, there are different methods, but let's focus on one called association rule mining. This method looks for relationships between variables in a dataset. It's like looking for patterns in a puzzle. If two puzzle pieces fit together, they might be related. Let's say you're a store owner trying to understand your customers' buying habits. You have a large dataset with information about their purchases, what they bought, how much they spent, and when they made the purchase. You can use association rule mining to look for patterns in this data and uncover insights that can help you make better business decisions. Here's how it works. First, you identify the variables you want to analyze, for example, the products customers bought. Then, you calculate the frequency of each variable, how often it appears in the dataset. Next, you look for relationships between variables. For example, customers who bought product A also tend to buy product B. You can represent these relationships as rules. For example, if a customer buys product A, they are likely to also buy product B. By using association rule mining, you can uncover insights that can help you make better business decisions. For example, you might discover that customers who buy product A are more likely to be repeat customers, or that customers who buy product B also tend to buy product C. This information can help you make better marketing and product development decisions. So there you have it, detectives, the power of data mining. By sifting through large datasets, we can uncover hidden patterns and insights that can help us make better decisions. Whether you're a detective investigating a crime or a business owner trying to understand your customers, data mining can help you find the valuable nuggets in your data. Until next time, keep on detecting.